Right, here we go. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is LaShawn. Sorry, guys. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Before I get started with the vlog, I just want to thank my subscriber that was liking my fashion vlog video. I really appreciate your comment, and I'm glad that you're going to be watching my video, so I thank you so much again. So in this vlog today, it's going to be a little different. So I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing like a workout routine. So this is like an exercise routine. So basically, I'm going to do some exercise. But like I said, I have a little headache on this side, so I won't overly kill myself. But I'm going to be doing an exercise routine. So basically, what I do in the morning, um, afternoon, and evening, morning, afternoon, and night, basically. So I'm basically going to just do my exercise like I usually do in the morning. I do this on the TV, like I do this exercise on the TV, but we're going to do it without the TV. So I'm going to show you the first exercise. So the first thing, let's start with the head, and then we work our way towards the other part of the exercise. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you're breathing, and you're out, breathing, and you're out. So you want to make sure you breathe and you get started so the blood can flow and you're breathing, all the oxygen is already in place, okay? So the first thing is we're going to like turn our heads like this. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So now, this is just getting prepared and get started. Okay? So make sure you do this. Shake your hands, shake your feet. Shake your hands. Let's get started. So basically what we do, I do squats. So squats is like a good exercise like for losing weight and building muscles in your body. So I usually do 100 squats. Okay, so let's see how well I can do in this video. Okay, let's get started. Make sure. Okay. All right. Make sure you guys can hear me well. Okay. So we're gonna do 100 squats. If you want to follow me or have your snacks and your drinks, feel free. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you're doing this, you will feel the muscle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We keep going. 30, 31. You're feeling the muscles. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We're at 60. 61. Comment down below if you would do this. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. We're almost there. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. We're doing this. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay. Now, usually in the afternoon, the next exercise I do 30 side leg raises. Basically, I use both legs. I put my hands like this, and we count to 30. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and make sure you're straight, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, and then this is like in the night where I do my arms. Basically, it's an exercise where you go like this, and then you go like this, turn this way, go like this, and then like that, and go like this, and then this, and then like this, and then like that, and then you do like this. So that's like basically what I do in the night. And sometimes if you feel like you want to massage your neck, you can go like this. If you're feeling any pains in your shoulders, this is also a good little exercise. If you pull any muscle in your shoulders, you can go like this. Or there's another thing you can use for an exercise method. Sorry, with the noise. If you want to build muscles in your arms, you can use this. You can actually use both. You put 2 feet in. I hope you guys can see this. You put 2 feet in and you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. So now, this is an exercise you want to do for the heart and the whole body itself. I know this is not everybody's favorite exercise, jumping jacks, okay? So, we're going to count to 50, okay? 50 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 50. Woo! Alright, y'all. So, I gave you some exercise, and this is my exercise routine that I do in the morning. Sometimes I usually do jumping jacks, but I don't do this like during in the night. I'll do this exercise. Now, you can feel that my heart is pumping, so that means that's good. Or sometimes you want to feel your pulse. Or I think you go right here, you know? This side. Let me pause. Yeah, see? I feel my pulse, my heart's pumping. So everything is good. So these are exercises you can do when you're home. Like if you want to go out outside and everything like that. Like this is like an exercise you can do. There's another exercise I might show you. I don't like it, but let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see me. This is the one. It's called prank. And you have to go like this and count to 10. Do like that. 1, 2. I don't know if you guys can see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the only one I don't like, but it's a very, 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 very good exercise for you to do. Okay? Other than that, this is my exercise routine workout that I do in the morning, afternoon, and night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, follow me. Oh my gosh, sorry. Whew, I'm running out of breath. Sorry, guys. Follow me on my social medias and let me know like what you guys are enjoying in my videos so far. And I would like to get feedback to see how well I'm doing. Is this a good video for anybody who wants to do exercise videos? Because I usually, when I watch like the other YouTubers, they usually go to the gym and they work out. But this is like somebody, if you're at home and you want to work out same way, it's a very good time to do exercise. And I love doing exercise. I've been doing exercise since I was like in my early teens till now. I never stopped doing exercise, and it's very important, especially when you know you're getting older and like your body's not like when you're younger and you can't do all those stuff like before, right? So it's a very good routine, especially like people to be my age or younger. It's very, very important for the body. You might not think, oh, I don't need to do exercise. I'm good. I'm fit. No, like all shapes and sizes can do exercise. Even me, I've been doing exercise, and regardless how I look, I still do my exercise. So please just enjoy yourselves, have fun, and if you want to do this type of video, like if you're with your family or your kids, and because I watch people will say, eating healthier, doing exercise, it's a very good thing for it's good for your body and your system, and it's also good for your brain too. Especially right now, I have a little headache here, so hopefully my head will feel more relaxed and better when I do this exercise. Because when you work out, you feel so relieved, and exercise is like when you're burning calories and fats and all that stuff. Alright guys, sorry my phone is cut off. It's saying the storage is full. But other than that, I want to end this vlog right here. And if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.